Hey guys, it is Thursday, September 26th. We're just heading off to San Diego. Just got to get a ride to the airport. Friend's coming to pick me up. My uncle actually just had his second son last night, so congratulations to him. But you know, it's been a little tough since he can't drive me anymore. But you know, we'll see you guys in San Diego. All right, Harry's come to pick us up. Hello, hello, sir. It's good to see you. It's been a long time. Yeah, we are off.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking?
So a little bit stressed out here. My flight is delayed about an hour, so I'm gonna entirely miss my connecting flights. So hopefully I can find an agent to book me a new flight. Otherwise, I might actually not be able to go to Discord party tonight. Otherwise, it's gonna be a little on the shit out of luck side, but I'll keep you guys updated. Holy Jesus. I just booked it from a different concourse. My flight is literally just about to leave. So lucky. Holy, we got in so late. All right, so we are here at the Marriott Gas Lamp. Finally got in after all these crazy days. Here's Gabe. Doing Gabe things.
Epic 7 Arena.
Also known as No Pants.
Hey! You want to see?
Yeah, so Gabe already went out for dinner, so I'm probably gonna go grab some food or something, and then we're gonna head to the Discord party tonight. I do need to go pick up my badge. I should do that soon, but I think they're open till 10, so it's not really a big deal.
It's not that many people at all.
Yeah, true, there's not that many people. We're just chilling. This is like super, super close. So let me show you guys. Like this hotel is so close to where we're supposed to go. So the convention, well, I guess I can't show you from this angle, but the stadium is right there. But like everything's just so close. Like we're basically in the heart of Gastown District. So there's just tons that we can do. Everything's close, food's close, people are close. I was walking downstairs, there's like 150 million people that we saw. So I'm excited. All right, Gabe and I are ready. Discord party. Let's go. And I gotta pick up my badge because I forgot. All right, we're here. It's day 0. I just got my badge. Just got my badge. Backwards, but yeah. So here's the convention center. All the stuff. The 10 million people that are always here. And again, here's Gabe.
Party right now. Courtesy of our friend Gabe and our new friends over there. Yeah, it's pretty poppin' here.
What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing.
That was a crazy party. Look at all these lays I got. Holy, so much fun. The park is an amazing place, and thanks to Discord. We are at a diner here after the Discord party, just eating food, getting ready. And it looks like xSkyKing here is doing some summons. So That marks the end of Thursday. So we had Discord party, picked up the badges, had a quick, tiny little snack of pizza, but I had a great night. I met so many amazing people. First time meeting people, seeing old friends again, it was amazing. I'm so glad that I could get Gabe into the party as well. He just connected with people. It was super fun, super awesome. Tomorrow's an early morning for me. I got a workshop, and then I got a couple dinner things to hop between and stuff like that, but that is pretty much it for today. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, it is September 27th, first day of TwitchCon. We have a lot to do, but first, I need to go get breakfast.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life. Save my life.
Yo, I'm here with Shaku. Hello.
Hello, yeah,
Nice to see you.
TwitchCon 2019.
Lindy, come join the vlog. This is Lindy. So these guys just met up with AJ a little bit earlier. Sadly, I have not seen him yet, but I will find him at this con. Hey, just ran into traffic. It's good to see you again. It's been like half a year.
Hi!
Alright. We're here with all the Dead by Daylight people. It's good to see them again. We'll be
That's a green hat. That's a green hat.
yeah, that's Kayla over there. That's the really tall guy Edgar. We're gonna get Morph and Vincent here in a bit, but we'll be heading down to the DVD party to hang out for a little bit. We just ran into Yenna. It's good to see her. It's been a long time. My boy, Crunchy.
Where? Oh, yeah. Look at this selfie.
That is enough con for me today. It's been a long day of workshops. Just had the chance to meet up with Mimi. I'm gonna head to the Maple Story meetup first before Dead by Daylight. Sadly, she cannot come even though she has Johnny Squad, but I hope to see other people there that I haven't seen in a while, so let's go. Hey, I'm here with Yume, CM for Maple Story, and this is the Maple Story meetup. Everyone say hi. We ran into Evac and Ray, Zach. Hello, everybody. Gonna head to the Dead by Daylight party. It was fun to chill at Maple Story, but I gotta go see some old friends. I gotta see Morph, gotta see Kayla, Travic, and everyone, but hopefully we see Gabriella there as well. Hey, we're here at DVD now. Here's Edgar. Sam, say hi. All the people. And all of our other friends are over there somewhere.
Did you see how stone faced I just looked? That was awesome. Hi! Nerds!
Alright, we're gonna go to hang out with some Restream guys. Sam's here with us, Gabe's here with us. Hi. Let's head out. Alright, it's Sam and I again.
Hi!
We're heading over to Tiltify now. We just met up with the Restream guys. They're phenomenal. David is an amazing person. Super, super cool, very hospitable. Look forward to working with them again in the future. Oh my god, the cutest dog. He has 5 dogs, but they are so cute. But yeah, we're gonna be heading over to the Tiltify main menu party, so we'll see you guys there. What day is it today? September 29th?
You guys literally.
I don't remember.
Vlogging?
I am vlogging. Is this September 29th? Or is it 28th? I don't remember. Whatever. I missed last night. End of vlog. Yeah. Okay. We're 28th today. Yeah. All right. Cool. Hi. It's the 28th. That's Gabe and Mr. Panshui came to join us. Hello. Do you want to come say hi to the vlog? You can come do the vlog things.
Hi. I'm Panshui.
And this is Marcel. I don't know if you guys know Marcel. One second.
Hello, maybe you know me from the chat.
Yeah. Marcel used to play Summoners War with us all the time. He's a EU FPS gamer. Extraordinaire. Man's a god.
How's E7?
Yeah.
He's okay. You did it.
Today is a long convention day. What are you doing, Gabe? What are you doing?
Taking a Snapchat.
He's Snapchatting his girlfriend.
Whoa.
I'll see you guys at the con. We're walking to the con. Gabe. Marcel. Say hi to Brendan.
What's up, Brendan?
Shout out to Diablo.
Should have been here, dude.
Yeah, you should have been here. You could have met our man. God. Come on, Brendan. Next time. All right, we finally made it to the expo hall. Marcel and I are chilling. But we're gonna go see around, see what's going on. We're gonna stop by the Intel streamer booth. I'll be streaming there tomorrow as well at noon, so hopefully I can see you guys there. But yeah, we're just chilling, hanging out.
Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on you.
Hey guys, we're walking the floor. Just met up with Berserk, Prosium. These guys are awesome. We get to you guys. These guys are really, really good. You want to say hi? Vlog, tell us what you do.
Well, this one's really good. I don't know about me.
Okay, you're both good.
He's alright. Okay, thanks.
You're the one who told me about the LLC stuff.
Okay, well, I appreciate that.
Relevant information.
Good. I'm awesome.
Hey guys, we're here with Gabe. We got Mashu, Epic 7 Smilegate. We got Sam Desperado. We got Island. We have Angel. Yo, what up? We have Gary. So it's good to see you guys. Yeah, so hopefully we'll see everyone again next week as well in New York. So look forward to that. Hey, we're here with J-Mac. Come on.
You guys need to start learning games.
You okay?
Dude, I'm bad. I'm fine. Come on down.
We're at the Island Grown meetup, just chilling.
I didn't even get a light. You know what?
What's up, Ohana man?
What up? Really, everyone before the skip came up, it's like, are you a delayed light?
You're running it though, right? He was there. Yo, and I am here with Detriments.
What's
good
up?
Friend of Misusing TVs.
Misused my television.
But I heard you got a domain for it?
Yeah, we got the domain for it. Misusing.tv.
No longer Misusing TTV. We're good at
TTV.
Hey, we're here with Chris.
Hi guys, how's it going?
So we're here with Chris. It's the Island Grown meetup. People are going to be challenging Chris in RTA.
They're
and
challenging
probably
me?
losing. I have no idea.
Okay, yeah, they probably.
We just like to troll pretty much the whole time.
But I heard if we beat Gary, we get
an alarm clock, right?
I'll take the one. I didn't know we had it until Thompson showed me.
Yeah, I had no idea that was a thing either.
And the puzzle until Leisha told us she had one.
Yeah. Hey, here with Level Up Together and the other half soon, temporarily. So, it's your first TwitchCon. How you feeling? How are things?
Good. A little crazy. A lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, there's just everything. Yo, it's Minty. Hello, Minty. Would you like to join our vlog?
Yeah.
How are you? It's good to see you.
I'm good.
How are things?
Great. I wanted to PC.
What?
At the Omen booth.
No. No way.
Yeah.
Actually? Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
What do you do to win it?
Okay, so they're having these 7 challenges.
Okay.
And it's like a memory game, a typing game, an aiming game, and if you had the overall top scores for the day, like with all of them combined, you win PC.
That's crazy.
Just like announcing yours was top.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's on a leaderboard
Those are
and
so
everything.
cute.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah.
Yo, what up? It's
Holy
been a while.
shit, big fan. Love this sexy man.
It's good to see you. How have things been, man? How's your TwitchCon been? What have you been up to?
Drinking, partying.
Sounds like a good
Same
TwitchCon.
as usual.
The usual TwitchCon. Oh, the lights came on.
Attention attendees, the expo is now closed. The expo is now closed. Please make your
We're going for dinner out with Come to us right now. We got Chris and his wife, Island Grown. I think J-Mac is going to be meeting up with us, and then we have Gary and Angel. I think we're going to be heading to Fogo de Chao. But, I'm excited. It's going to be a great night.
Every single day.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so twice a day. Hey, so Brian and I are here at Puesto. We're just going for dinner with some of the E7 guys. over at Smilegate. There's a restaurant behind us over here, Westo. Everything looks amazing though. Like the patio just looks really, really cool and everything. It is super, super cool. We're pretty tired though. It's been a really long day. And it was raining earlier, so I don't even know. Oh, they're here. Hello. Yo, what up? Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi. I'm glad you're here. I know it's really dark, but I'm glad you're here. Hello.
Yeah, what's up? It's your boy Mashu.
Yo, it's Mashu. And Sam.
Hello, everybody.
Just for a do.
All right, let's do it. Let's get to it.
I'm down.
Should I just sign with Island Road as well next to it? I should.
Sure. Where are we at?
Wait, I forgot script.
This is all my work now.
Good morning. It is Sunday, September 29th, last day of the con. Got a couple more meetings this morning. However, we're also streaming at the Intel booth, so I look forward to that, guys. It's been a long TwitchCon. It's great to have you, sir. What did you get up to? Did you have a lot of fun?
I had a lot of fun this week. It's honestly the best experience of my life.
Highlights?
Highlights, meeting Island Grown, meeting all the new people, and just making a lot of new friends.
Cute girls. Don't tell them that. No. It's good, it was good. It was a lot of fun. It was tons of fun. There were so many people that we met. So many people we connected with that I haven't seen in like a year, etc. But it's gonna be sad to say goodbye, but it's time to get back to work.
It was fun rooming with you. We need to do this again.
Yes, again.
100%.
Next Epic 7 meetup, past the New York one, I believe.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna get him to go. It's gonna happen, I believe. But for now, this is us signing off, so I hope you guys enjoyed the TwitchCon. If you couldn't make it, I hope you want to in the future. See you guys there. Hey guys, this is the end of the vlog. So this is me at the airport heading home. I just dropped off Sophie and Morph. They're both heading to Atlanta for their connecting flights, but that is it. It's been a crazy con. It's been a great time. I'm gonna miss everyone so much, but to another great year and another amazing TwitchCon. Thank you so much, everybody.